Hi, I'm Derek. I'm a technical program manager working in health tech by day, and by night, I'm a health data nerd. And today I want to show you a cool health coach agent that I built. So it pulls in my Fitbit data, my Whoop data, my Withings scale data, and sends it all over to GPT-4 and a prompt that then gives me a coaching tip, kind of like a health coach would each morning. And built this all using Make without writing a single line of code. So let's go ahead and take a look. So this is Make, and this is where I built the workflow. And so it starts out calling the Fitbit API, gathering my Fitbit steps, Fitbit sleep, Whoop recovery and strain info. Then it also goes over to Withings, grabs my Withings scale data, and then it updates a spreadsheet with all my data points for today and yesterday, and then it starts to put together the prompt for GPT-4. Then it sends the prompt over, and then it sends me an email and a text, and I have it on a schedule to run 9 a.m. Pacific each morning. This is what the spreadsheet looks like. So it basically pulls all the data from the various data points together. It gives a new row for that day's data set, and then it updates the previous day for Fitbit steps and Whoop strain score, which would be kind of tied to yesterday's data points. And then it gives the coaching tip as well on the last column. All right, so let's go ahead and try it out, and let's see what health tips it has for me today. So as you can see, it's talking to Fitbit, now it's talking to Whoop, Withings, now it's updating the sheet, now it's talking to GPT-4, sending me the email and the text, and then it updated my Google Sheet. And as you can see, it added a new row for today with my sleep, my Whoop data, and Withings data, and then it also updated the Fitbit steps and Whoop strain for the previous day, and it gave me a coaching tip. And this is the coaching tip. So I trained it to be kind of a mindful, supportive coach. And it basically says, hey, I'm doing great with my sleep over the last few days, good recovery score for today, do some meditation or mindfulness activities and maybe go on a brisk walk. So yeah, pretty helpful tips combining all the data points. So this is just the beginning. I'm thinking about next steps, maybe integrating this with other devices, adding more personalized workout recommendations, or adding in maybe a mood score to the analysis. And yeah, really excited about this. But even today, what it's providing me right now is I find it pretty helpful, and it's just kind of a good reminder each morning. So if you're interested in building something like this yourself, you want maybe some more technical details, definitely reach out to me through a comment or a DM, and I'm happy to write a follow-up where I go into a little bit more detail about how this was built. Thanks.